is Digvijay and currently I'm in Ashoknagar, Delhi, and
Okay.
I have graduated from Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and I'm 2016 batch pass out. After that, I joined manufacturing sector in mobile manufacturing, and there I have worked for almost 4 years. In the project only, I got a chance to work with the development team, and I started gaining interest, and I thought to get some professional skills in MERN Stack development. And I learned the course, and currently I'm with the Qubit, and I joined the pay after placement. Yeah, the thing is that I was into manufacturing sector, so there is nothing much to do. It was a cyclic process. Sometimes you feel like the type of work you are doing is the same thing you are doing daily and daily. So I thought that it is just a loop. So I must think something else. Like I should go with the training stacks as per the current situation, and I thought to switch to software development. Yeah, that was the main thing. Like the Qubit platform resume was much more better than the paper one, because it contains each and every details on the same platform only, like from the video introduction or the project details introductions. There are different like live projects links are there, and even the GitHub links or the LinkedIn. So each and everything is attached on the same platform, so that it will be easy for the recruiter to access it. Yeah, initially I didn't got much chances, but after coming to Qubit, means I started getting the recommendation from your side, and the first I got the first chance, and it was converted into an offer. Yeah, because it is a lot. It is very difficult to get right, means someone to guide you at this stage. So Qubit placement teams played a huge role in getting students placed into a perfect company as per the skills a student have. So it was great being connected with you. Yeah, definitely. After each and every step, there was a call from the Qubit side, and they helped me a lot for the next process. It takes more than a month also. Sometimes after assignment, they will wait for some time. They will again explore it for some other options also. And if you got selected, then they will call you. Okay, we'll be moving forward with interview sessions, or else you will not get any call from there. There won't be any feedback from their side. So it is a bit hectic. As I am a 2016 grad, and I have chosen Qubit and I got placed. So I'm an example for those students who have doubt that no, this is something scam or fake. So I'm a live example for them. Definitely. I have recommended also. I have recommended 2 to 3 of my friends who are struggling right now.